A professional skincare brochure should instantly communicate trust, quality, and results. Open Canva and search for a skincare brochure template. Choose a clean design that uses soft colors and plenty of white space. These design elements help create a fresh and premium skincare appearance. Start by uploading your skincare product images and placing them into the brochure template. Next, update the title with your product or brand name. Below the title, write a brief description explaining the purpose of the product and the skin concerns it addresses. Now create sections for key ingredients, benefits, and application instructions. Use icons to visually represent